How to fix CapCut not showing on App Store problem. So let's start by opening our App Store first. I will go to check myself if CapCut appears to me. So as you can see, I have my CapCut application here. What may cause this problem about CapCut not appearing is your country. So two solutions you can do is first one, use VPN and then go to store to download the CapCut. And other thing you can do on iPhone is, for example, to click on your profile picture in App Store. Then go to your profile by clicking on your username and email. Here you will unlock account settings. What you need to do here is to go to country or /region option. And here you will have to choose some famous or big country that should have every update or new application. So you can just click on change country or region and select some country like UK, USA. For example, I'm using Germany because it has all new updates and applications showing up. After you done that, just click on it and it will save up your country. You will just have to go through some little setup here again, but after you done that, your country will be changed to whatever you have picked up. And then CapCut should appear to you in App Store. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the